Cat. Is it a girl? Yeah. She like ran after my feet last night. Oh my god, no. I know. She's so big as well, like fucking scary. Come on. Kitty. Come on. Get the fuck out. Put it in the closet. Don't get fucking cat hair on my clothes, bitch. Just let it go. Tell her. Cat's in the closet. Ugh, me like a year ago. Hiding in the closet.
I tried so hard not to.
No. Get the fuck out of here. So I'm getting ready. I hope you can hear me. Guys, this lighting. LA has like a different type of sun, I swear to God. This lady has a cat and I don't like cats. I'm gonna put that in just so you know. So we're on Sunset right now, and I'm probably not gonna be vlogging like a whole lot. I'll just put in some like clips of where we are. It's very loud. Hope you can hear me, but with Maya. And the weather is so nice. The lady we're staying at was like, "Oh, isn't it cold?" But like, it's hot as hell. Alright, so we were like at the Grove, and then we were walking around at the farmers market, and these two, like this guy and this girl, came up to us. They were like, "Hey, do you guys want to go to the Late Late Show?" And we were like, it's kind of sketchy, but it was like real. It was really, it just seemed really sketchy, but we were like, okay. So we went, and we just went to see James Corden, and Ice Cube was there, and it was pretty lit. We did a lot of fake laughing, a lot of cheering. It's really cold right now, and I'm very tired, and I'm feeling jet lag right now, so yeah. And I low-key really want to get pierced. Maya wants to get her septum done, and I really want to get the snake eyes piercing. I just got my Uber Eats order. I got a lentil soup from Veggie Girl, and then some sweet potato fries. Maya went to eat at the kitchen table, but I'm way too tired. Ignore my oily face. I got some stuff from Sephora. I got a Kat Von D foundation. I hope it's the right color. This angle is not flattering at all. I got the Becca highlight and champagne pop because it just looked so beautiful, and I have Prosecco pop, but this one's like way more beautiful. And I got this mini like Too Faced primer. So that was my first time at Sephora. Let me just tell you what we did today. I haven't really vlogged a whole lot like talking because we've just been like
doing stuff. When we woke up this morning, we like got ready and stuff, and we went to Sunset Boulevard, and I got an acai bowl from Earth Bar. There's something spicy on these fries, but I don't mind it. Hello? He's walking with your fucking bonnet on. Can you open this? I'm a weak ass bitch. There's something spicy on them.
What?
On the fries.
I didn't say the same thing.
I don't mind it, but...
Oh, you're...
Yeah, that's what I said. You just walked in with your fucking bonnet.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Yeah, I got an acai bowl from Earth Bar, and I did not know it was going to be that big. Like, it was huge. I almost finished it. Oh, this smells good as hell. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. It was really good. We walked around for a bit, and then we got a lift to the Grove. And we pretty much, okay, so first we went through some stores. That's when I went to Sephora and stuff. And then we were at the farmer's market, and these two people came up to us. They were like, do you guys want to go to the Late Show with James Corden? Like, we have free tickets. And I was like, what? Like, we were both kind of like, that's kind of sketchy. But it was real. And so we got free tickets. And I heard it's going to air tonight. So we were like part of the audience. We had to like cheer and shit and laugh. And we were like on the side in the back. So I'm pretty sure that when the guests came out, you could see us, which is so awkward. Ice Cube was there. It was so funny. And Maya, he went to like fist bump people. Maya like missed his fist. And I hope that's like recorded. That would be so funny.
Just been on this.
The fucking cat. Huh?
I'm gonna stop for just been on you for talking about a cat.
I'm over him. Like, he bit me, and I was like, no, bitch.
That is fucking
I was so fucking scared. Oh my god, my scalp is like so red.
Are you allergic to cats?
No, it's my hair. I think.
Might be. Are you exposed to cats ever?
No.
Oh.
I don't like cats. Okay, I'm gonna try my new shit. I'm so excited. I wish we had the same shoe size. But you decide to have big old feet.
I'm a grown woman. I'm sorry. Why do you get into those weird positions? Like, I'll get up, go to the bathroom, and you're like this.
Striking poses. Bitch. No, I get into those positions because I sleep like this a lot, like my arm into my pillow, and then my arm just like gets really sore. So I just have to like lay. When you, your hand was like, you were like.
My hand was so asleep, and I was over it.
And you were like this, and I was laughing at you, and you just had your eyes closed. You didn't hear me, did you?
I did. I looked dead at you.
No, but you were like this.
I didn't have the energy to say shut up. My hand was like dead.
It was so funny. And then, what did you do? You were like this. You were like So I got this new primer. And there we go. Ooh. Oh, jeez. This is interesting. That smells so good. Huh?
Because I forgot I let you take all the hair.
Yeah, your bitch ass didn't want to hang it up, so.
At that moment.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot we can use that. I'm gonna use one drawer.
No.
Yes! I'm gonna put my makeup in one. So I don't have to keep opening. I'll use one, then I don't have to keep opening my suitcase. Okay? I'll just put my underwear and shit.
How you gonna have that in there?
Well, you didn't want that.
At the moment.
No, you didn't want it, so I took it.
So I found something.
No, I'm getting one drawer.
You discovered the hangers in there.
Okay, I'll let you have a couple hangers.
No.
No, you don't have to.
Off of my finding.
No way, I don't have to keep opening my suitcase, and we can keep this like area clean.
I can't have some of this because they put blueberries.
Yeah, but you can ask them to take it out.
That's doing the most, right?
No, you can customize it. Just be like, cause like I'm gonna say I want no banana on top, and you can just say I don't want blueberries in it.
What the fuck do you want to put banana in every goddamn?
You just didn't like the banana because it was on top.
Hmm?
You just didn't like it because it was on top of it as well.
How you gonna tell me how I feel about banana?
Because you liked mine.
Yeah.
Mine was good. And I hate banana, so that says a lot. Sorry, hitting up or no?
Huh?
Huh? You should. You know you want to. You showed me her fucking Instagram picture. So
Because she looks so good.
Okay, well, tell her that in person.
You just want to see her. You don't care about me seeing her.
Mm-hmm. No, I want you to see her too. Then after I can be like, how are you doing?
I hope you forget to edit that out.
I won't.
Lose their effing mind.
I'm literally just gonna know. I'm gonna keep it in and bleep it. So they're like, what is she saying?
Phone, so I didn't cry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Even though we hate this man.
We very much hate him.
Today we spent most of our time at Melrose. We walked so far, went into some stores. I got this hoodie. It says girls tour. Now we're eating ice cream. We got back to the Airbnb a bit early so we could chill. And I'm just eating rice. Okay, that's cool. This is my dinner. We're just gonna chill and like watch a movie or something because we're really tired. Then tomorrow we're gonna hang out with a friend of mine and do some fun stuff. I'm ending the vlog here because
Oh.
I'll be.
I'm sorry. I keep forgetting your name.
I'm ending the vlog here, so I can post this tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah. And then you'll see another vlog either Sunday or Wednesday, but I'm guessing Wednesday because I haven't been. You're so fucking loud.
Am I?
It's fine. I haven't been talking.
I'm sorry.
I haven't been talking a lot. Like, I just vlog, like, places we're going. Because I keep forgetting to, like, vlog, or it's, like, too loud outside. But, that's this vlog. I'm going to try to be better and get better vlogs up for you guys.
Pay attention to your damn video.
Is that not a fucking mixing bowl? That's a mixing bowl.
You can use things for other things.
She has regular
And when I
bowls.
heat it up, it's not going to be hot.
She's eating white rice out of a mixing bowl using her fingers. She has spoons, you know.
I'm Liberian.
Okay, I'm Nigerian, but like,
And we
we're in America.
Come here.
Oh.
Nobody likes to hear the way. Why'd you close the door?
Because I don't want a cat to come in.
Cat comes eat your pussy.
It's illegal. Battery's dying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. If there's any place you think I should go to in LA, not like Disney or anything, like something cool that I should go to, let me know in the comments. And I'll try to go there. Yeah. That's it. Bye. Oh, I was supposed to do this.